Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today we have Acer Extensa 2519 laptop model from 2016. The customer claims the laptop is working, but it is very slow, starting with a long booting time. During the basic testing, I noticed something strange. In every possible documentation, it stands that the CPU is Celeron at 1.6 GHz, but inside is Intel Pentium quad-core CPU running at 2.6 GHz. Even the sticker proves it. Usually a CPU upgrade is not a big deal, but here we have a different scenario. The chip itself is BGA, which means it is directly soldered to the motherboard, so upgrading in this case is extremely difficult and unprofitable. However, at the end of the day, no one will complain about stronger and faster CPU. One more thing, BIOS is not accessible. I mean, someone put the password. But this is not a big problem, it is enough just to remove the CMOS battery, so it will reset itself to factory settings. Enough talk, I start doing what I always do. But coffee first. To clean the display, I use glass cleaner mixed with 96% alcohol and a few clean cloths. And as always, very careful on the edges. Single drop of liquid may damage the entire display. Now let's slow down a bit to make some upgrades. The first obvious upgrade is the 240 gigs SSD. And instead of a DVD drive, caddy with an old 500 gigs hard disk. And after all this work, the laptop looks like this. Now, let's see how it performs. After installing a fresh copy of Windows 10, booting time is drastically reduced. And the laptop is fast and responsive. .1080p videos chop a bit, which is not necessarily a problem because the screen resolution is 720p, and as such they go smoothly. A Cinebench R20 is a big task for this system, so we have a miserable score of 258. After 15 minutes or so of the stress test, we have overheating, which perhaps proves my assumption that the CPU has been replaced. Thermal throttling is 2% maximum under heavy artificial load. In reality, the system will never be so loaded during normal use, so it is not a big deal. And finally, we have an average of 12 FPS in Unigine Heaven. And that's about wraps it up. Thanks for watching and see you in next one. Bye!